This is the HCNet section. Develop Web3 on the HCNet, a blockchain ecosystem driven by community involvement, providing both Layer 1 and Layer 2 scaling solutions that are well suited for smart contracts and rapid payments. Click here to get a complete tutorial about HCNet Core, testing network upgrades, smart contracts, institutional host, implementation, hardware requirements, security, known validators, HCNet applications, listing HCX in your exchange, HCX nodes, HCNet version 15.00 and HCNet version 19.00. Click here to discover more essential information about HCNet. Be a part of HCNet from here. Get an HCX wallet and buy HCX from here. These are the developer programs. Our goal is to foster innovation and promote Web3 adoption. Our developer programs empower builders by providing valuable grants, incentives, and dedicated support, ensuring their success and fostering innovation.